Get a feel for the 2019 Nissan Altima. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: floor mats, engine immobilizer, bucket seats. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.